How to add a picture background in MS Word. Step-by-step guide. Launch MS Word on your computer and either open an existing document or create a new blank document. Click on the Design tab located in the top menu bar. This tab contains various formatting options, including background settings. In the Page Background group, click on Page Color. A drop-down menu will appear with different color options. At the bottom of the drop-down menu, click on Fill Effects. This will open a new window with multiple background customization options. In the Fill Effects window, go to the Picture tab, then click Select Picture. You can choose an image from your device, online sources, or stock images. Browse and select the picture you want as your background, then click Insert. Preview the image in the Fill Effects window and click OK to apply it. If the background is too dark, go back to Page Color, Fill Effects, then Picture, and adjust the transparency slider before applying. Once satisfied, save your document, Ctrl+S. Your selected image will now appear as the background. Pro tip: for best results, use high-quality images and avoid cluttered backgrounds for better text readability.